Can you take us through this transaction which was opened up last evening, where Minda proposes to buy 15.10% stake in Pricol, and today morning we saw the release on the stock exchange from Pricol saying that the promoters are not diluting any stake. Can you take us through this?
I came to know of this also last night when this story broke. My intention, the promoters of Minda Corp reached out to me many months ago asking whether we were interested in selling our stake in the company, and I very clearly told them that we were. There's been no communication from, this news broke last night, and as I mentioned in my release to the stock exchanges, I stand very committed to this business on behalf of the entire promoter group. And the promoter group is a very, very small family group of my immediate family, not even extended family. And we don't have any factions, nothing whatsoever. I think the company is on a very, very firm financial footing as we stand today. We are long-term debt-free, next to no working capital borrowings. We are generating a very good amount of operating cash and cash profits. We have a very clear growth runway ahead of us. We have signed technology agreements with leading companies, 2 out of Europe and 1 out of Silicon Valley, to further hone our product offerings. Our market share in each of our product segments is at an all-time high. I have a very, very healthy order book, and I will be able to maintain a very healthy growth rate in the coming 8 to 9 quarters. We've planned all our capacities. We've just done our credit rating as well. And so we are pivoting from becoming a product company to a technology company. We are investing about 4.8% of our sales into R&D. About 60% of my white-collar bill goes into R&D, product and process technology. We just showcase all of our new technologies at the recently concluded Auto Expo, which was extremely well received by customers. So with all pieces of the pie in place, we have no loss-making industries, no loss-making subsidies, no loss-making plants, clear technology roadmap, clear direction, a committed management team that has been with me for this ride. I have zero promoter pledge of my shares. The other companies or businesses that I'm vested in or have control, which are unlisted, the other businesses of the group, none of them have any debt whatsoever. All of them have cash reserves. All of them are cash generating. I don't need any liquidity at this point in time right now. And I believe that the company is worth a hell of a lot more than what it is trading at today. Because, as I said, we are pivoting from being a product company to a technology company. And my product itself is evolving. The average value of the product that I sell, the driver information system, is just galloping in value. So even if the market does not grow, my top line will keep growing and my bottom line will keep growing. And we've probably had the worst ever quarter and year that has just gone by the last 4 quarters, because our primary raw material is chips, and the chip shortage everyone knew about. So we had acute chip shortage, losing a lot of sales, huge amount of costs on premium freight, which ate into our EBITDA. Chip shortages have eased. Production has gone back. Demand continues to be robust. So I don't see any reason why I should sell right now or any time in the near future when we have a very good runway ahead of us and we are poised for good growth. And all pieces of pie are in place.
Do you see synergies in the businesses when they approached you, or what was was there a merger proposal on the table? And
we have taken away a share from them. We have been growing much faster than that particular division of theirs, which has got the commonality with our product. And that is the reason that they approached us. We are extremely strong on technology. So they had a technology partner with whom they have parted ways. So, looking at the technology that we have displayed and what are the products that we have displayed, and with their diminishing market share, they thought it was a wise move. But I told them that we were not interested.
The promoter stake in the company, do you plan now to show up your stake in the company? Do you understand that I have a hostile attempt which is coming in?
I've got the commitment of institutional investors, which is so takes me well above 51%. And since everything till now has been speculative, there's been no formal announcement from Minda Corporation. Let's wait and watch what they're going to do. And I do cards close to my chest, which I will play at the appropriate time.
Sure. You must be watching your shareholding very closely. Does Minda has any stake in the company?
As of last night, no.
So it's entirely 15.10% which they're trying to do through a reverse book building the stake there. But for 15.7%, what is it they're going to get in the company? Are they looking for a board seat in the company?
You need to ask them. I cannot talk on behalf of them and what is their intent.
How do you see this moving ahead? Are you in touch with your bankers as well? Because if they mount an open offer subsequent to this, that will take the stake beyond your stake, which is currently in that company.
I've spoken to our investment bankers. Like I said, I have a couple of cards and we will basis of how it plays out.
And you're just keeping your cards close to your chest as of now, and you haven't reached out to Minda specifically after the book opens last year.
I mean, you should ask them. I told you very clearly what my intent is.
Okay. Are you looking for any collaborative way out in terms of technology sharing or anything going forward? Given that,
pardon me,
are you looking at any collaboration with them? Will you be open to a collaboration with them with respect to technology sharing or going forward?
Why would I do that to the competitor? When I have a very strong market share and a growing market share, what I want to share technology with someone, I probably want to go for technology to someone much bigger than me who have technologies that I don't have. Why would I want to go to a company that has lesser technology than I have, lesser market share than I have? It's counterproductive.
Will you be also coming out with any buyback on the market?
I have nothing planned as of now, but as the game plays out, like I said, we have a few aces in our parts. We will, deal those aces when it's required.